We guide you through how to disable your mic in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams app and join or start a meeting as usual. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom control bar and click the microphone icon to instantly mute yourself. If the mic icon shows a slash, that means your mic is already disabled. For a more permanent setup, click the three dots menu, go to Settings, then select Devices, and under the microphone section, choose a different input like None if available, or disconnect your microphone device to fully disable it from Teams. You can also prevent Teams from accessing your mic by going to your computer settings, opening Privacy, then Microphone, and turning off Microsoft or microphone access for Microsoft Teams. This ensures Teams cannot use your mic at all, even if you forget to mute. And finally, recheck your meeting screen to confirm the mic icon stays disabled.